Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, July 11th, 2025. Just have a quick message for you today. This is not the video that I was planning on making, but I heard that a marketing friend of mine had passed away, Bob Schwartz, and I thought that to honor him, I would do just a little video about him, just to remember him and the legacy that he's left behind. If you're not familiar with Bob Schwartz, he was the founder and publisher of Home Business Advertiser, okay? So he was a true legend in network marketing and direct mail marketing. He's touched many people's lives. He was always rooting for the little guy, and he created this platform to help everybody have the same chance at having success. Anybody could go and put an ad in his magazine, and he was a really great person. I talked to him many times over the years. I partnered with him in some business ventures back in the day, and he's going to be missed greatly, and yeah, I mean, he was just a good man. He was kind, generous, like I said, always rooting for the underdog, and just did a lot for the network marketing space. And I know that I have heard that his wife and another business partner of his, they're going to continue publishing his magazine, so that's pretty cool. And this was the May-June issue, so I expect to get his July-August issue here any day. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video on Bob. He helped thousands of people build real businesses from home. And his magazine was actually an inspiration to me back in the day. And I still get it to this day. I love looking through it. I love looking through all the different advertisements and the ad copy. And he was just a genius when it came to writing his own ad copy. But he will be missed. And, I was honored to know him. And, rest in peace, Bob. You touched a lot of people's lives in a positive way. And I'm happy to hear that your magazine is going to continue being printed and that your legacy will live on. So if any of you knew Bob or have any stories, leave them down in the comment section. And let's continue building our businesses thinking of him, Let's keep building our dreams in his honor. Because, life is short. And I don't need to tell you that. You know that. Life is short and time is precious. And you just never know, what your day's going to bring. So treat each other with respect and love, and give those that you love and cherish a hug. And try to be a positive light in this world. We need more positive people and positivity all around. And focus on the good things. There's a lot of good things in this world. And unfortunately, if you're stuck in the news or watch the news, you don't see many of the good things. It's like they always say, the negativity is what sells. But there's a lot of good things in this world. There's a lot of good people in this world. And there's a lot of good things going on in this world today. And so that's my message. I don't want to drag this on, but Bob, you will be greatly missed. I was honored to know you. And I know there's many thousands and thousands of people who feel the same way. And my condolences to your wife and to his family. And that's it. So I hope you all have a great day today. Whatever it is you're doing, wherever you are, make it a great day. And as my good friend Ed Mayer says, and make it a good day for somebody else as well. So with that being said, I hope you have an awesome day. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.